Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. In this session, I am going to explain you the bilinear transformation. Find the bilinear transformation. Bilinear transformation that maps the points z is equal to infinity I 0 onto w is equal to 0 I infinity. So therefore answer is, first given one you have to write. The given w1 is equal to 0, w2 is equal to I, w3 is equal to infinity. Z1 is equal to infinity, Z2 is equal to I, Z3 is equal to 0. So which is infinity? First you have to see. So infinity one you have to see. W3 is infinity, Z1 is infinity. These two you have to watch. So according to this we are going to write the formula. Okay. So therefore the formula is W minus W1 into W2 minus W3 divided by W minus W3 W2 minus W1, which is equal to Z minus Z1 Z minus Z3 Z2 minus Z3 divided by Z minus Z3 Z2 minus Z1. Okay, so this is the formula Z1. The formula can be written in another form. So what is the another form? Let us see. Which is infinity. So you have to change the formula. So which is infinity? Z1 is equal to infinity, W1 is equal to infinity. According to that we are going to write the formula. W1 is equal, W3 is equal to infinity. So W minus W1, W3 I have to take as a common, W2 by W3 minus 1 divided by W3 you have to take as a common, W by W3 minus 1. So W2 minus W1, which is equal to Z1 is infinity. So Z1 you have to take as a common, Z by Z1 minus 1, Z2 minus Z3. Okay, Z2 minus Z3 divided by Z minus Z3, Z1 you have to take as a common, Z2 by Z1 minus 1, Z2 by Z1 minus 1, Z1 cancel, W3 cancel. Now you have to apply the values. So let us see how to apply the values. Okay, so if you are applying the values, W minus W1 0, W2 is I, W3 is infinity minus 1 divided by W by W3 infinity minus 1. Next W2 is I minus W1 0, which is equal to Z by infinity Z1 minus 1, Z2 is I, Z3 is 0 divided by Z minus Z3. Z minus Z3 is 0. Next Z2, right, by Z1. So Z2 is I by Z1 infinity minus 1. Okay, so anything by infinity is 0. So therefore in the next step you can write as which is equal to, okay, which is equal to, so you have to write which is equal to W minus 0, that is W minus 0 is W. So W into I by infinity minus 1. I by infinity is 0, so 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. W by infinity is 0, so minus 1. So minus 1 into I, which is equal to 0 minus 1. Minus 1 into I divided by Z into minus 1. So everything is minus, I think. So everything is minus. So minus w, which is equal to minus I divided by minus z. So therefore w is equal to I square divided by z. W is equal to I square divided by z. So which is equal to I square is minus 1 by z. So w is equal to minus 1 by z. This is the answer.